Hi guys, welcome to the Magical Art with Ananya. So today let's quickly learn an easy drawing in few steps. Are you ready? Let's first draw one oval to draw the ground. Then let's draw half circle, another small half circle. Let's draw the eyes, the mouth, and you know what we are drawing? We are drawing a ladybird. With circle, I have already taught you how to draw ladybird, and this is a scenery I'm teaching you with a ladybird so that you can quickly draw it and make a easy scenery, right? Let's draw flowers, a circle, and surrounded by you for the petals. And you know what is the color of the ladybird? The ladybird is black and red, right? So, what you need to do, you need to like and subscribe the Magical Art with Ananya, right? Because every time I come up with a new video, you can see it. Usually these days I'm teaching easy sceneries that so that it's easy for you. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the Magical Art with Ananya for more such content.